Can you please just acknowledge? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Just react. Just react. Anyone? Sir, I did this mistake without knowing full information. I invested. My hands are burned. Anyone there? Okay, the first person who is going to raise the hand is my cell phone. My hand only. Remember that. My hand only. Okay. Yes? Are you very people? Yes. Okay. Aditya
I
sir.
am also, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Akshay. Niranjan. Yeah. All the people. That's why don't invest in unknown areas. Very, very important. Okay. So if we don't know, try to get the knowledge first before investment. Try to get the knowledge first before investment. There are sometimes what will happen is, so my friends are going to ask me, Array, I want to buy the plot. I want to buy the plot. Okay. So can you please guide me like, Array, don't buy the plot directly. Don't buy the plot directly. So come with me. Come with me. Whatever invested, I will show for you. Okay. Whatever invested, I bought a huge number of plots. I invested in the real estate. All my investments I will show. There are some areas, my hands are born like anything. My hands are born like anything. Okay. So what is the reason? I will explain. There are some areas, I'm expecting gold. I'm expecting some stones, but I got gold. I'm expecting some stones. Stones are the reason, but I got gold. There are some areas. What is the reason? Okay, which makes turn those rocks into the gold? I will explain. So all my plus positive things and negative things, what happened in my investments, I will show for you people. So that, so invest a bit wisely. Okay, like usually I'm always going to require, I'm always going to suggest for my friends or for my relatives or anyone is going to ask so Are, can you, Durga, you are already in the real estate area, can you please show a plot, can you please provide some? No, I don't want to provide anything. Please come with me. I will spend one day with you. I will share all my investments. I will show. So what plus are there, negatives are there, so that you will get first knowledge. Once you are getting the knowledge, okay, so with that matured mentality, with that matured knowledge, now you can take the decision.